Good afternoon, students. So let's start our previous lesson, that is the growing plants. So students, yesterday we discussed about the vegetative reproduction. In the vegetative reproduction, we discussed about all the methods through which we can reproduce the plant, like the through roots, through stems, then through leaves and through the pores. So I hope students the activity which I already given yesterday, so that activity you have complete. I got the most of the students response, but a few students assignment still pending. So today itself you just send yesterday's assignment, then complete today's assignment. So let us start today's new point, that is agriculture. So I hope students आप सबने agriculture ये word सुना हुआ है, okay? So the agriculture, it is none another, it is a science of growing plant. Agriculture, it is related with the, it is a science of, it is a science of growing plant. Okay, agriculture is none another, it is the science of growing plant. Okay, so in that agriculture, we will discuss about the food and the related concept with the crops. We will discuss about the food and the crops. So today we will see what is meant by the crop. Okay, the plants which are growing with the agriculture method. The plants are grown with agriculture method, and that is known as the crops. Very simple. So the definition here we will discuss about the definition of crops. So first we will discuss about the crops. So crops is none another plants that grow through agriculture process. Through agriculture process known as crops. It's a very simple definition. The plants that grows with the agriculture process, with the help of agriculture process, and that process is known that is known as the crops. Okay. So here we already learned the definition of crops. The plants which are grown with the help of agriculture process, and that plant are known as the crops. Okay, here the with the help of uses, depend on the uses, the crops classified into the different types. Okay, crops classified into the different types by their uses. ओके प्लांट्स के क्रॉप्स के बहुत ज़्यादा यूजेस होते हैं और उनके यूजेस से उनका क्लासिफिकेशन होता है. जैसे कुछ क्रॉप्स हम खाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, सो फूड क्रॉप्स आर देयर. कुछ क्रॉप्स का हम ऑयल बनाने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, सो ऑयल प्लांट्स आर आल्सो देयर, ऑयल क्रॉप्स आर देयर. कुछ क्रॉप्स का हम यूज़ क्लॉथ्स बनाने के लिए करते हैं, तो सम हियर फाइबर क्रॉप्स आर आल्सो देयर. सो हियर क्रॉप्स इज क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर यूजेस. Crops classified on the basis of their uses. So let us discuss about that. So here I think definition is clear. Crops definition is clear. The plants which is grown with the help of agriculture process, that is known as the crops. So here we will discuss about the classification of crops. Crops can be classified so types of crops. Okay, so here first is a food crops. Second one is a fiber crops, and third one is a oil producing crops. Okay, so student, here in front of you three types of the crops are there. So first type is food crops, second one is fiber crops, and third one is oil producing crops. So in detail we will discuss about that. So we know that some crops we are using for eating purpose only, like wheat, Okay, rice, maize. Okay, these types of crops we are using for eating purpose. Then the fiber crops. Okay, so maybe आप सबको पता है कि फाइबर किस किस से बनता है. So fiber crops like jute. Most famous fiber crop is cotton. So first we will write cotton, jute. So these are the crops. By using that we can make fibers, natural fibers. Then next one is the oil producing crops. Okay, so we are eating different types of oils, just like as mustard oil, soybean oil, then many types of oils we are eating. Soybean oil, then mustard oil, groundnut oil. So here again we can include soybean, mustard, then sunflower oil. Okay, groundnut oil is also there. So season wise we can change the oil also. So these all are the related with the crops. These are the types of the crops. The crop is having some types. First is the food crops, fiber crops, and the oil producing crops. In the food crops we can see wheat, rice, maize, then potato is also there. Many crops which we are using for eating purpose. So that crop we can you can include. The next one is the fiber crops, cotton, jute, hemp is also there. If you are knowing any another name, so you can include that name also. So oil producing crops, soybean, mustard, sunflower, groundnut. So these all are the types of the crops, and these are the examples of the crops. Clear? So these crops classified into the two types. One is the kharif crops and another one is the rabi crops. ये खरीफ क्रॉप्स क्या है, रबी क्रॉप्स क्या है. So student, nowadays now rainy season is going on. So in this season which type of crops we want to produce, we want to production of that crops, and that is known as the kharif. Now rainy season is going on. So rainy season which type of crop we are हम बोल सकते हैं कि जिसका हम प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो क्रॉप्स हमें इस सीज़न में चाहिए उस क्रॉप को हम खरीफ क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. एंड विंटर सीजन में हमें जो भी क्रॉप्स मिलते हैं, जो भी फूड क्रॉप्स, फाइबर क्रॉप्स और दी ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग क्रॉप्स, उस क्रॉप्स को हम रबी क्रॉप्स बोलते हैं. सो हेयर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द क्रॉप्स. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. Students, keep in your mind. On the basis of uses, the crops classified into the three types. On the basis of the uses, the crops classified into the three types. One is the food, second one is the fiber crops, and third one is the oil producing crops. And on the basis of season, the crops classified into the two types. One is the kharif crop and another one is the rabi crop. On the basis of season, kharif crop and the rabi crop. Okay, so this is a classification based on the season, on which season which type of crop we are using. So here kharif crop. So kharif crop grown in a rainy season. Okay, so they are grown in a rainy season from June to September, and they are grown in a winter season. Okay, from November to January. Kharif crop grown in a rainy season from June to September, and the rabi crop grown in a winter season from November to September. Okay, so kharif crop, I think आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. नाउ विच टाइप ऑफ प्लांट we are taking the production of that plant. Soybean, cotton, clear. Soybean, cotton, moong, these types of plant we are growing in a Kharif season, and in winter season which type of crop? Okay, sugarcane also, sugarcane in any season we can grow that plant, but in Kharif season, just see the example. Example we can take maize, then soyabean, then cotton. Afterwards, you can see jute also, then jawar. These types of plant we can grow in a Kharif rainy season, and in the Rabi season, wheat. Examples are the wheat, then peas, again grain, and mustard. So these types of crops we can grow in Kharif season, and these are the for rainy season. So students, these are the classification of the crops on the basis of the season. One is a Kharif and another one is a Rabi crops. And the Kharif crops we can grow maize, soyabean, cotton, jute, jawar. And in Rabi season, wheat, peas, grain, and the mustards. So these things related with the crop. So in today's period we discuss about that the agriculture is the science of growing plant. Then definition of the crops, the plants which are grown with the process, with the help of or with the process of the agriculture process, that is known as the crops. Then we discuss about the types of the crops on the basis of the uses. So on the basis of the uses, the crops classified into the three types. One is the food crops, another one is the fiber crops, and third one is the crops which are producing the oil. On the basis of crops classified into the two types, one is a Kharif crop, another one is a Rabi crop. And the last point of your lesson, that is the process, agriculture process. So we will discuss in next period. I hope students your concepts are clear. So students, your today's task is classify the crops on the basis of uses, classify the crops on the basis of season, and give example. And you have to send and you have to upload your task on a school app itself. So for today students, thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow.